Good morning, my name is Divya. I read in class 4th SP2. My project is solar system.
Hello friends, my name is Jatin. I read in 4th SP2 class. This is my project satellite.
Hello friends, my name is Nidhi in 4th SP2. This is my project first aid box.
Hello friends, my name is Guru in 4th SP2. This is my project solar system. Hello friends, my name is Pai in 4th SP2 class. My project is solar system. Hello friends, my name is Disha from 4th SP2. This is project solar system. Hello friends, my name is Sita from 4th SP2 class. This is my project different type of field.
Hello friends, my name is Kashish. My project is volcano.
Hello friends, my name is Aditya. My study 4th SP2. My project solar plate. Hello everyone, my name is Vanshika. I study in 4th SP2 class. My project is different type of leaves. Hello friends, my name is Biryas. I study in 4th SP2 class. This is my project solar system and first aid books.
Hello friends, my name is Aarti from 4th SP2 class. This is my project different kinds of fields.
Hello friends, my name is Prashant. I study in 4th SP2 class. My project is first aid box. Hello friend, my name is Dipesh. Study in 4th SP2 class. This is my project layer rotor. Hello friends, my name is Karthik. I read class 4th SP2.